The best indoor-outdoor thermometers for home. If you want something handy to check the room temperature for various reasons, here's our list of the best indoor-outdoor thermometers to help you choose the right one. You can use these high-quality indoor-outdoor thermometers to check the temperature of your baby's room, garage, gardens, bedroom, green room, living room, or even the humidity of a room where you need to grow indoor plants. You can install it on a wall at your home for your convenience. With various features and designs, choosing the right thermometer may be challenging. So, go through our list to find one that suits your needs. Number 1. Kalevol Weather Station Indoor-Outdoor Wireless Thermometer. The Kalevol Weather Station Indoor-Outdoor Thermometer has a wireless design, making it easy to monitor temperatures and humidity inside and outside your home. In addition, this thermometer has a 7.5-inch vibrant color display and an adjustable backlight that makes it easy to read in low light. This thermometer provides detailed information on temperature, humidity, forecast, wind speed, moon phase, barometric pressure, and more. What we like: has an atomic clock and calendar function, has a transmission distance of 200 feet, 2 power supply modes, 3 optional channels are available. What we don't like: some may find it challenging to set up, may be smaller than expected. Number 2. Smartro SC92 Professional Indoor-Outdoor Thermometer. Thanks to its premium Swiss sensor, the thermometer can detect subtle temperature and humidity changes inside and outside your home. You can simultaneously monitor 4 different rooms in your home by connecting it to 3 other wireless sensors. It has an easy-to-read LCD backlit 3.5-inch display that you can turn on with a simple touch. You can mount this digital thermometer on a wall or place it on a table with its retractable stand to get comprehensive temperature details. Batteries. 2 AAA batteries. Required item weight: 7 ounces. Product dimensions: 7.09 by 4.53 and 1.38 inches. What we like: transmission range of 200 feet, pre-calibrated for accurate measurement, power-saving feature, easy to use. Get high-low records for all time or the last 24 hours. What we don't like: may not be weather resistant, may be slower than expected. Number 3. ThermoPro TP63 Digital Wireless Hygrometer Indoor-Outdoor Thermometer. This is one of the highest quality weatherproof and wireless thermometers with a completely sealed outdoor sensor that transmits readings for up to 60 meters. It features a backlight, a touchable LCD screen, temperature and humidity readings. Batteries. 4 AAA batteries. Required item weight: 6.1 ounces. Number of batteries: 4 AAA batteries. Required outer material: metal color, WHITE gray. What we don't like: calibrated and sealed outdoor sensors, high precision humidity and temperature readings, quick backlight feature for ease of use, updates readings every 50 seconds, cold, heat, and rain resistant, weatherproof sensors, multiple mounting options and min-max records. What we don't like: battery lifespan is short. Number 4. Crosse Technology S84107 Color Forecast Station. Black. The black forecast station features some advanced features, along with barometric pressure readings, to help you stay updated with the climatic conditions outside and inside your house. Material: plastic batteries. 5 AA batteries. Required product dimensions: 6.89 by 1.26 and 6.4 inches. Weight: 10.4 ounces. What we like: comes with a detailed user manual, features barometric pressure and a 24-hour historical graph, shows indoor and outdoor temperatures and humidity percentage, also gives away alerts and min-max records, comes with a forecast tendency indicator, wall hanging and foldable design. What we don't like: needs to be plugged in constantly. Number 5. Geevon Indoor-Outdoor Thermometer. Capable of connecting to 3 channels, the digital thermometer by Geevon features an alarm clock as well as a humidity sensor. It has a large backlit LCD display, making it easy to read temperatures even in low light areas. Featuring a strong wireless connection, this thermometer can cover an area of 200 feet without faltering. Color: 1 sensor. Batteries: 4 AAA batteries. Required product dimensions: 3.25 by 0.78 and 4.5 inches. Weight: 6.7 ounces. What we like: readings can be switched between Celsius and Fahrenheit, comes with a detailed user manual, comes with a wireless remote sensor, records 24-hour temperature and humidity, wall mountable. What we don't like: some might find it difficult to operate, buttons might be small. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our coal products as it will make your life much easier.